Hello everyone, Ranjitha here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with an inspiration for festive decor. Kolam is a geometrical line drawing composed of curved loops drawn around a pattern of dots. Kolams are regionally known by different names. I have been drawing them ever since my childhood. Taking this as an inspiration, I came up with today's video wherein I make a wooden tray with a kolam painted on it. So let's quickly get into this video and check out how we can easily make a colorful, bright and traditional decor piece with minimal supplies. So let's get started. I am starting by painting my tray with red chalk paint. This is homemade chalk paint and I have a detailed video on how you can make your own chalk paints at home. I will link it in the description below. This tray measures half inch in thickness and 15 inch in diameter, and I drilled holes for the handles on either side. All I'm doing is painting carefully, evenly all over the tray on both the sides. I have painted my tray on both the sides and it is now completely dry. Now let's go ahead and paint the kolam on it. For this tray, I will be making a kolam with 9 dots. So having 1 inch distance between the dots, my kolam would measure 8 inches. First, I mark the center point in between the two holes that I had drilled for the handles. That would mark the center line of reference for my kolam. Diameter of the tray is 15 inches and 15 minus 8 would be 7 inches. So I leave a gap of 3.5 inches on both the sides and start marking my dots. The beauty of this design lies in the symmetry. So if you take time and mark your dots right, then half your job is done. So having a 1 inch distance in between the dots, for the first row I will be marking 9 dots. In the second row I will have 7 dots, and then in the third I will have 5 dots, 3 dots in the fourth row and 1 dot at last. So this will be the grid for my kolam. I start with 9 dots and then end up at 1 dot on either side. I have finished marking my dots and now I draw the kolam. This is a type of kolam in which a stroke runs once around each dot and goes back to the beginning dot, thus giving it this beautiful knot-like pattern. Now I'm going ahead and taking my white acrylic paint and painting it all over the lines that I have made with chalk before with a thin brush. Traditionally, we make these kolams in front of our house using chalk powder or rice flour. I have been drawing them ever since my childhood. You do not measure the dots while drawing it on the floor, but due to practice, we often end up being symmetrical. evenly placed dots and uniform brush strokes with even thickness all over is what makes this simple kolam very beautiful and unique. You could use this as a serving tray or a Pooja Thali or just like festive decor to arrange your diyas and flowers. However you use it, this piece is going to look unique and stunning. I'm almost done painting my kolam. I'm finishing it off by painting the dots. The beauty of this kolam lies in the dots, so make sure you get them evenly and uniformly placed. So here you can see the finished kolam. Very beautiful. The red and white combination is absolutely stunning. I will finish it off by giving 1 or 2 coats of varnish all over, and then I will fix the handles and my beautiful traditionally looking unique wooden tray is ready. You can see the close-up images of the finished project here. I hope you like this project and I was of some inspiration to you. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really appreciate it. If you haven't done it yet, kindly subscribe to my channel and tap on the bell icon so that you get notified every time I post a new video. Also, do follow me on my social media where I share many other craft photos and videos with you. The links are given in the description box below. Thank you.